I'll tell you this, today's cook is no shrimp in the flavor department. Welcome back to the FOGO Life. I'm your host, Captain Ron Dimfelmeyer, and we got something special this week, another part of our grilling summer series. It's coconut shrimp. Now, you ever go to a restaurant, you get those beautiful coconut shrimp with that gorgeous orange sauce that dips in? God, that's so good. Well, we're eliminating deep fryer. You know why? We're a charcoal company. We're grillers. We're gonna grill coconut shrimp today. I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. Now, first thing we're gonna need for our shrimp recipe is, guess what? Oh, that's right, shrimp. So I got these beauties. I normally like to get them a little bigger than this. This is like 21 to 30 per pound. I like to get them a little bit bigger than that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna dip them in egg white, dip them in coconut, and then skewer them right through the middle. Lay them on the grill like that and cook them. We're gonna cook them raised direct so that they get a nice brown coconut. You know what I love? I love going to a restaurant and ordering coconut shrimp, and you get them nice and deep fried, and you dip them in that beautiful orange sauce. Well, this is something similar, except we're not gonna deep fry them. Let's show you exactly how to grill your coconut shrimp. I know. The part that nobody likes is cleaning shrimp. Well, let me tell you, I'm old, so I gotta put my glasses on. This right here is a lifesaver. It is a shrimp deveiner. It takes the shell off and takes the vein out all in one simple shot. You simply hold your shrimp, insert it in here, and then whoop, like that, and just run it through. Takes the shell right off, takes the vein right out of the center. Easy peasy. Not too bad, 25 shrimp in just a couple of minutes. Our shrimp are clean. The next step is we're gonna bread them, so to speak. We're not gonna use any breading, we're just gonna use coconut. But, again, with the eyeballs, we're gonna put 3 egg whites. We gotta separate the egg whites. And if you don't know how to do that, this is how you do it. I'm gonna give our egg whites a little whip to break them up a little bit. Now, we don't wanna get them, into peaks or anything like that. We just wanna make sure that they're well combined and stirred, that's all. For this recipe, we're gonna use unsweetened coconut flakes. You can use sweetened, but I like to use unsweetened because I think it just gives it a better flavor. Plus, it's good for keto or low-carb diets. And that concludes the breading the shrimp portion of our program. So what I'm gonna do now with that egg whites, I'm gonna take these, put them inside in the refrigerator while we get the grill going, get everything to temperature. We're gonna make our sauce for the end. Ooh, that's gonna be pretty good. I'll give you a hint. It's a little sweet, a little spicy. So let me go put these in there. It's gonna allow it to set and allow that coconut to really stick to the shrimp. I don't know about you, if I'm eating coconut shrimp, I want some coconut on my shrimp, so I better get these in the fridge now. While the shrimp are inside cooling and setting, let's talk skewers. There's a lot of different kinds of skewers out there. Bamboo, if you're gonna use bamboo skewers, soak them for like 7 days beforehand. I got these here, they are flat. If you notice, they're flat here, so they have a little bit of work to them. So when you skewer and you go to turn something, it doesn't spin around the skewer. You ever go to spin your skewer and the meat just turns and you're like trying to get it? This eliminates that. The flat part of that eliminates that. Also, it's got this cool spring here. So when you want to flip it, you can just hold the spring, boom, the spring doesn't really heat up either. So it works out really well. These are available on our website if you want to check it out. There is a link below, but these are the skewers that I like because the flat part really makes a difference. And like I said, just easy to spin. And good news, our fires are already lit, so we're gonna put our grate in place. We got a nice, decent fire going. You see all of these beautiful ingredients here? Yeah, all of these. That's right, I'm gonna hold them all if I can, because what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a beautiful tropical dipping sauce out of this. I got this recipe from my friend Ninja over at Salty Tales channel. Go check him out. Now, let's assemble this sauce because it's gonna be for dipping when these things are done grilling, and it's gonna be tasty. And the first of those ingredients is 1/2 cup of orange marmalade, 1/3 of a cup of Thai chili sauce, a healthy pinch of kosher salt, and just a smidge of red pepper chili flakes, and some lemon juice to take away the spice. Okay, here comes some refrigerated shrimp. Okay, now when I'm skewering my shrimp, I like to bend them and try and put the skewer through so it's going through the most part where there's the most meat possible. Okay, so like that, and come right out the other side, and then just slide it all the way on, just like that. And it is shrimp time. Let's lay them on the barbie. Throw another shrimp on the barbie. Shrimp cook really quickly on here. A good way to tell is when your coconut just starts to brown, that's probably a good time to flip them, okay? You don't want to overcook your shrimp, otherwise you're eating tough shrimp. We don't want that. Oh, sorry, I could just sit here and watch these things spin all day long. So I think they came out pretty darn good looking, huh? So if you notice, they do not spin on that skewer because they are flat. That works like a champion for me. But you know we've reached my favorite time in the video, tasting time. Before I do though, I have to ask you, please subscribe. Will you please subscribe to our channel? Will you please leave me a comment? Just leave me anything. Say hi. Say hi, Captain Ron, how are you? Whatever. Tell us what you think of coconut shrimp if you think these are good, because I know I'm gonna try them right now and tell you. So good, that coconut gets toasted. You've heard of toasted coconut. Oh God, that's good. I have to give myself a hand on this one. That is freaking fantastic. Like I said, that coconut, as it cooks over the grill, didn't have a whole lot of direct flame to it, so it was just a raised direct. Got really toasted, nice and browned, little char on it, gives it a little bit of extra flavor. That char is the star, but the real star too, the sauce. Wow, is that good. You know, folks, when you're making the sauce, taste it yourself. See if you need adjustment. Add more lemon juice, add more orange marmalade, whatever you want. Add some hot sauce to it, whatever you want. The world is your oyster, have at it. This is the way I like to do mine, and I think they're pretty darn good. So, skewers work like a champion, shrimp are delicious. How, does it get any better than that? I'm pretty blessed. So, like I said, subscribe, like, leave a comment, everything like that. Tell us what you want to see in a video. I'd love to know. This is our summer grilling video series, and I hope that you're enjoying it. Remember, this summer, get out and grill, and I'll see you next time on the FOGO Life.